YouTube family, what's good? What's good? Yo, have a seat because you're going to need it. So, I'm going through my email and then I run into this. And I'm just going to read it to you. I'm going to drop it into my description box and then I'll have my comments after I finish reading it. So, cosmic question mark, exactly what I'm reading, cosmic question mark, spotted in deep space suggests the universe is stumped. So, this is from Gizmodo, but it's not only from Gizmodo. All right, so check this out. The Webb is casting the universe in a new light, but the Space Telescope's discovery of a cosmological question mark has a scratch in our heads. By George Dvorsky. That's it. You see that question mark in the middle? That's what the James Webb Space Telescope, that's apparently a million miles from Earth, right? In the Lagrange point, looking out into space, and this is what it gets. Okay? All right, I'm going to read this. Do you realize there's a question mark floating in space? So it says the James Webb Space Telescope captured the eerie punctuation mark found buried within an image Herbig Haro 4647, a tightly bound pair of actively forming stars located 1,470 light years from Earth. If you could believe that, I got a bridge in China to sell you. The high-resolution near-infrared image captured by the James Webb Space Telescope, a project from NASA in collaboration with the European Space Agency and the Canadian Space Agency, came out last week. But if you zoom in close enough at the center bottom, you'll see an astronomical feature that, from our perspective, bears an uncanny resemblance to a question mark, as Space.com points out. Really? An uncanny resemblance to a question mark? No, that is a damn question mark. Oh my goodness, man. And then it continues. What was this right there? It continues. Then it shows more actual footage of this from the James Webb Space Telescope, and it says the image released last week shows her big Haro blah blah blah, an apparent question mark in deep space, as shown by the yellow indicator at the bottom. Oh, whatever, dude. The unexpected question mark suggests a cosmological message from aliens, God, or the post-human civilization running our simulated universe, but its underlying cause is far less extraordinary. It goes on, in response to a Space.com query, representatives of the Space Telescope Science Institute, which manages Webb science operations, speculate that this cosmic question mark could be a distant galaxy or a pair of interacting galaxies. In those scenarios, gravitational forces could have manipulated these galactic structures, leading to the distorted question mark like shape. Interestingly, this might be the first time that astronomers have set their eyes on this distant object or objects which exist far outside the bounds of our. Okay, okay. So I'm sitting here looking at this and I'm like, look, we've been toyed with enough, right? We've been messed with enough. And I was like, maybe Gizmodo is like a joke, like the Onion or something like that. Because CNN would put this BS and these lies out, right? That's what I'm thinking, right? Well, check this out. So I went ahead and I punch in space question mark. That's what I put into Google, my little Google search. And it says in response to the space.com query, basically what I just read you from Gizmodo, and it shows Gizmodo. But wait, there is more. From space.com, the James Webb Space Telescope spies cosmic question mark in deep space. Is there a space before a question mark? Okay, that's. Is there a space before? Okay, that's something totally different. But, oh my God. Man, look, talk about getting toyed with. Listen, listen, listen. I don't even know what to think anymore. I honestly don't even know what to think anymore. We are so being toyed with. It's not fun. It's just not funny anymore. It's not funny anymore. Like, it doesn't even make me chuckle. It just makes me sick. It just makes me sick to see that we're being toyed with the way we are. It's annoying. It's annoying, and people, look, globers and true earthers, need to get together and figure this nonsense out. Okay? If the globalists don't want to because they believe it, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I know we're not the crazy ones, but we're definitely not the crazy ones. Anyway, YouTube family, that's all I got. It's 2 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put what I found in the description box. You guys can figure it out for yourselves. Let me know what it is you think. And good Lord, with that, I wish you nothing but the best, man. Health, wealth, love, joy, prosperity, most of all, wisdom, 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 wisdom. Good Lord. I need wisdom. I need wisdom. Help me figure this out, y'all. YouTube family, I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.